Another thing you might be looking for, maybe some Cheetos.
Okay.
Check out this next story, Will. Oklahoma woman linked to home break-in after Cheetos residue found on her teeth. Oh, I like to go out. I like to lighten the mood on the way out.
Sure. Yeah.
There's a break-in enter, I guess. All right. An Oklahoma woman was arrested in connection with an attempted home burglary. The incident happened 8 p.m. at a Tulsa home. Woman at the residence told responding officers she was home with 2 small children when a woman climbed through the window. Officers determined that the suspect had pried a screen off the window to get inside before not stealing anything or harming anyone. So I don't know what the plan was. I don't know if the person was in the right state of mind. However, what happened while the person was in there, they managed to leave their bottle of water and their Cheetos. I'm talking about the burglar or the would-be burglar.
Right, yeah.
They not only did they not steal anything, they climbed through the window and then just set down the empty Cheetos bag in the water bottle.
Yeah.
So not in the right state of mind. However, it gave the cops the clue they needed. They arrived on the scene, saw the Cheeto evidence, found the assailant, and saw the Cheeto residue on the teeth. And were able to connect the dots.
So
that is some persistent stuff, that Cheetos residue.
it's, it's vibrant orange.
It's very orange.
Very
it is
noticeable.
unnaturally orange.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it's a good story, I guess, for Cheetos, right?
wow.
Be able to catch criminals because of their...
Is it good or is it bad? What if you're a criminal? Now you take a second glance at those Cheetos.
For Cheetos, yeah.
You say that evidence can stick around too long.
It will.